but that's the feedback I got.
The feedback he got. And I can treat you today, but I don't know if you have a feedback tonight. That's why we just don't know. We will not know tomorrow if he snore or not. Okay? He says in here. Are you okay to be YouTube famous?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, good.
The other thing I do feel is feedback is even though my nose is patent from the ENT's perspective, I still feel like congested in the nose. Like it feels like it's still
there.
Not as
Still
clear.
there. Okay. So you can feel it now. Can you give us number from 1 to 10? What is the sensation you have right now, right here? 10 is the worst.
It just feels like it's not so clear.
Not so clear is also a problem. So from 1 to 10, how much do you have over there?
I guess I need to feel 10 to know where I'm at now. Maybe I'll tell you after.
Oh. You feel the differences, but you cannot give me a number. Okay, good.
No.
Slippery. It's okay. All right. Okay, so let's do Tai Yin Yang Ming. It's the nose. Can we do large intestine 3? Can we do large intestine 11? Can we do lung 8? Are you okay with the needles?
Yeah.
Oh,
You
okay,
go for
good.
it.
He won't not like me tomorrow. Did you feel anything at your throat or just over here? Because your snore is here. Yeah.
I don't feel it in the throat.
Uh-huh.
I just feel like I'm not
Okay.
as open in
We
the nose.
already have a large intestine 3. I would do lung 9. And we have stomach 36. And stomach somewhere over here at the eye area. And then spleen, right? Tai Yin Yang Ming. Spleen 3, spleen 9. You ready, everybody? All right. Relax. Let's do it. Large intestine 11. Needle goes in. How you feel? Pretty good?
Fine.
Good. Lung 5. Lung 9. Stomach. Are you guys excited? That's all you need. Because I use the elbow and I use the hand and feet. And now I'm going to put 2 needles here. I have 8 needles on the body. I'm going to put 2 needles right here because that's the face, right? So I'm going to do that. I'm not going to do this right here because he might going to carry that with him to go home. He's a little tall. Relax. His nose, right? Needle goes in, wait for a little bit, and put the needles in. Needle goes in, and go put the needles in. Alrighty. Can you tell me a little bit how you feel about your nose right now?
Feels like it's opened up already.
Opened up already. Ooh.
Left one doesn't feel as open as the right one.
Left one. So my knee.
Left nostril.
So does my needle going to the wrong direction? So I'm gonna put this out and put it towards the left side a little bit, right here. Okay, breathe again, please.
Yeah, that's better.
Did you see what I do? I just move the needle tip towards the left side a little bit. It opens up. 10 needles, much easier than the one we had before. We can do a lot of needles for the eye, for the nose, for all that. So now I just using 1 each on the hand right here. And then the elbow is the eye. So eye and eye. So I use a he xue and shu xue. Pretty good? You okay?
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know you're gonna snore tonight or not.
Me neither.
So maybe you can put your phone there and recording. So we will see if you have. Record for 1 hour. Can you set that?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe. So that will be the treatment. So he can sit here for another 15 minutes. So see how he goes, okay? Just relax. You're doing good. Now, very good.